Hey everyone, it's Charlotte from the Kia Hyundai channel, and today we're talking about the second row seats in the 2025 Kia Carnival, and we're talking about how can I remove them. Now, something I love about this vehicle is the fact that you truly have a modular configuration because all three of these seats can come out. So today we're just doing a quick tutorial showing you guys how to take them out. So when it comes to the main seats, what you're going to want to do is you're going to use this lever, you're going to pull the seat forward, allow it to fold in on itself. And then once the seat has folded in on itself, what you're going to do is you're going to look for this little icon here because underneath of it is a grab handle. And what that grab handle does is it actually allows the back of the seat to tip up. So once it's tipped up, you're able to completely remove it from the vehicle. Now, for the middle seat, things are going to look a little bit different, but we're going to follow the same process. So for the middle seat, you actually have this little tie on the front, and that you are going to use to, again, knock the seat down. And then back, you can see we actually have a pull tab instead of a regular handle. So you're going to pull that, and with that, you're going to be able to, again, lift it up and remove the seat. Now, if you're wondering how to get these seats back into place, what you're going to want to do is once they're removed, just line them up on the rail system here. And the nice thing is that these seats can move fully along the rail system. So it's not going to matter as much as where you click them into place. So what you're going to want to do is make sure it's lined up, down on the rail system, give it a press on each side because you want to make sure that it is clicked into place. You'll even hear a little click as it clicks into that rail system. When it comes to the main seats and clicking them back into place, you're going to follow the same process in the fact that they just click into place. Now, what I found is a lot easier to do is I made sure that the front rails were, or not rails, but the rail points were connected first. And then I found it a lot easier to lower it into the rear until, again, I just heard those two clicks and knew that the seat was nice and stable. It's not going anywhere. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure that you leave a like and a comment down below on what you want to see next. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the Kia Hyundai channel for more tips and tricks videos, but also reviews on all things Carnival, whether that be gas or the hybrid, which is coming soon. So make sure that you stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time.